Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lizeth Andrea Muñoz Liscano. It's a pleasure to greet you. I am studying English degree at UNAD University, and today I go to speak about three consonant symbols for the English phonetics course. We are going to start. First consonant. This is the symbol. It is fricative voiceless and it is interdental. The correct pronunciation of this consonant symbol is Some examples are think, math, and both. An exercise is I think it's important to learn English. Second consonant symbol. It is the symbol. It is a fricative, voiceless, and is palatal. The correct pronunciation of this consonant symbol is sh, sh, sh. Some examples are she, shampoo, and show. An exercise is she buys shampoo every month. And the third consonant is this. It is a symbol, is a nasal voiced, and is alveolar. The correct pronunciation of this consonant symbol is n, n, n. Some examples are in, new, nurse. An exercise, and a short exercise is in the hospital there is a new nurse. Now it's your turn of practice in your house. You can read this text. Okay, and it's all for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next occasion. Bye bye.